Okay, in this video you're going to learn a lot of things how I actually built my dropshipping business from scratch. And I know not everyone is an expert. Okay, maybe you are not an expert, you're just starting out, or you just have an existing store and you want to actually scale it more, but you don't have to be an expert. Okay, you are here to learn and you will have questions. That's why you need to actually go through every single video, don't skip anything. And that's why I actually built this course from scratch. If I would start dropshipping from zero, how would I actually move on? And this is my blueprint. Okay, this course you have, this is the members area. Get the course, okay, get a notebook and take notes. Okay, whenever I talk about something, about building the store, what key points are important, write these things down so you always have them in front of you and you don't have to actually go back then when you're just executing everything. You just need to get back to the video and watch it once again. No, you have the notes and you can always look in your notes. Okay, but the fundament and the basics are in these videos. And when you will attend the live calls, you're also gonna see these live calls are very advanced. Okay, we have people in there who are already making like 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, even more revenue per day, and you can actually learn a lot of from their questions. You know, that's why you need to actually get the basics and watch the videos. I don't care if you need like 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, or you need 1 day, but just make sure to watch the videos in the course twice. Okay, and take notes. Okay, put on your flight mode on your phone and give full attention to these videos because the knowledge we have here is golden. Okay, so the next step is the store building. Okay, you need to actually get a professional domain and an email. Okay, you can get this from, for example, from GoDaddy. It's very easy to get. Okay, there you can get a domain and also like an email package, so you have a professional email as well, because you don't want to send people to email like gadgetstore@gmail.com. This is not what you want, you know, like have a professional email like office@gadgetworld.com or office@manjeet.com, office@thisrichkid.com. This seems more professional, you know, and this is what you need to get. I think a domain and the email costs in total $5 per month, so it's not actually quite a lot. So just get this thing here. After that, you need to install the apps which should be in your store, right? So the apps, what do I mean by that? Obalo, Lux, all the apps which I'm gonna talk about in the videos. Don't worry about that. This is what you're gonna learn actually in the course, but just make sure to install these apps then. And then implement the legal pages on your store. You just go on settings, then on legal, and then you just create a template from this legal stuff. Okay, Shopify has already made some templates for them. You can just click on create template and it will automatically create this legal pages. So you also have this step done. I don't want to implement you any like old products on your store with an already written product description. The goal here is that you learn through the videos how you can import products by yourself and use the potential of these products by using the skills which you are learning in the videos. So we can combine it and you can start making sales on your first day. This is your goal, okay? Getting the first sales in the first few days. That's why I'm giving you this support with these products which are proven to work, which are actually performing right now good for other competitors, and you can actually get them to your store, write a product description. You just go on AliExpress, research the products and import them with Obalo like it's shown in the video. Simple. You write the product description, the title, and import it in your store. And then also, of course, for the advertising, we need a good looking creative, okay, that people actually watch the video and think like, oh my god, I need this product. This is what you also learn in the video tutorials, and this is your next step, okay, after you get the products. So what about the Facebook ads? Okay, after your store is ready, the next step for you is to build up your Facebook business manager. Okay, so when you are creating Facebook ads, we need an old Facebook profile. This is very important, not a new one, not a brand new one. It should be an old Facebook profile, a real Facebook profile which is old, okay, and which is minimum 1 year old. Okay, if it's 2 years old, 3 years old, even better, but it should be old and it should be a real Facebook account. Okay, and you can even use it from your family or your friends. This is not a problem. And then after that, you create your business manager. And then after that, in the business manager, you create your ad account, your page, like your fan page from the store, and you create your pixel, okay, the tracking pixel, and connect it. What this thing is, you will actually learn in the videos. You don't need to worry about this thing here, but this is just like a summary video, right? So you have a full structure over that. You can just come back and watch this video once again once you're gone through the videos. So this is what you need to do after your store is built.